of this 71 Ranchero is a 302 V8 with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor sitting on top, and as the current iteration of repairs, I've currently replaced the starter solenoid there. You see it's all brand new and shiny, and then we have the starter itself back down there. Fun fact, I had to take the headers off just to get the starter out. Currently working on trying to actually get the battery to hold a charge, see if the battery's any good. Gotten it to turn over a little bit and fire off a little bit, so almost there. This model actually has power steering, power brakes. It's a pretty rough car. Not sure why my dad bought it. It's pretty much just rat rod territory at this point. It's got a lot of body rust and everything else. But as you can see, it's been sitting for a while since I've had it. It's got a ton of hue cover on it. Some rocket racing wheels. Alright, that's the car so far.